Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have interest rate FOMC today for the US dollar, caused a lot of volatility on all the dollar pairs. According to Elliot wave pattern, I mean, this definitely is a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. And if you've seen my recent full top down analysis videos on gold, you definitely know that I'm still very bullish on all of the very high time frames. So looking at this pattern right here, it really doesn't look that corrective to me. It actually looks like something that's likely to go up and probably eventually take out this high, which I would call a wave 4 because it is 5 waves down. I mean, it could possibly be an ABCDE or whatever you'd like to call it, but it is definitely 5 waves down. Impulsive up definitely doesn't look that corrective, so I would actually expect that it's pretty likely to take out the high of this wave 4. And maybe it will keep going up tonight. Maybe it's more likely it will start a correction and go up later on, maybe in the week. We do have non-farm payroll this week also, so I mean, at this point, whether it goes up now or whether it goes up later on in the week, I think at this point it probably is going to go up and at least take out the high of wave 4. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions and access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up on my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.